Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily check for plagiarism in Grammarly. So all you have to do is just head over to app.grammarly.com or simply just open the Grammarly desktop app. Then next is just click on new to open a blank document, and all you have to do is just paste your content directly into the editor or click upload to add a document file. And once your text is in the Grammarly editor, just click on the plagiarism option in the bottom right corner of the editor, and from there, Grammarly will scan your text against billions of web pages and academic papers. If no issues are found, you'll see a message like no plagiarism detected, and if there are matches found, Grammarly will highlight the copied content. It will show you source links where the content appears online. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!